We are a global group of companies,
united by a purpose.
A purpose that keeps us moving forward.
We know that every problem has a solution.
And that's what motivates us.
when we face the biggest problems of our time,
like water pollution,
chronic illness,
and climate change.
We know it isn't easy.
But that's why we do it.
It's in our DNA to work the problem.
The problem of how to make roads safer.
How to make the air we breathe cleaner.
How to keep an aging population healthier.
We see real problems.
We look at each one from a different angle.
And we innovate to solve them.
Working with each other.
And with our partners. Every year,
we're enabling 200 million tests to keep people's water clean and secure.
Every day,
our technology helps support thousands of life-changing surgeries.
And every minute,
our technology is supporting the change to green energy.
Just some of the impact that's made us one of Britain's most admired companies.
And we'll continue to work to find solutions.
To grow a safer,
cleaner,
healthier future
for everyone, every day.